In today's video, I will show you how to use remote controller with your AEON laser machine. If you purchase a remote controller for your machine, you will receive a box like this. Inside, you will find the remote controller, a connection cable, and an antenna. So now, where to connect the cable? Let's look at where the cable should be connected on different machines. For Mirror S series, the remote cable connects here. Open this side panel. Once opened, grab this cover, press it down and pull it backward like this. The cover will slide open. Inside, you will see a green terminal block. This is where the remote cable connects. For the larger Nova series machines, open this panel here. Inside, you will see the same type of green terminal connector. That's where the remote cable goes. Before unplugging it, note the wire color order. From right to left, the sequence is red, yellow, white, black. Now unplug this green connector, as we will need it for wiring. Connecting the wires. Look at the cable from the remote kit. You will see it also has red, yellow, white, and black wires. These need to be inserted into a connector in the same color order. First, use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the terminal block and remove the existing wires. The red wire on this cable is a bit too long, so use pliers to trim it to match the length of the other three wires. Now insert the wires into the connector in this order: red, yellow, white, black, and tighten the screws. Great, you've in place half the installation. Next, take the green end of the cable and connect it to the antenna cable. Then attach the antenna to the cable like this. Now reconnect the green terminal block back into the machine. The bottom of the antenna is magnetic. Place the antenna as high and as exposed as possible on the machine so the signal reception will be stronger and more stable. Now reconnect the green terminal block back into the machine. Insert batteries into the remote controller. Turn on the machine, and the remote will be ready to use. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Ran from AEON Laser. See you next time. Bye bye.